awakening. This single word sums up what 2024 means for us. A year of revelation, growth, and conquering new territories. 2024 was the year we stepped out of our comfort zone and revealed who we really are. It's a year kung saan pinakita natin that Salveo Barley Grass isn't just a brand. It's a movement, a force, a company that was destined to revolutionize the industry. Tara, samahan niyo ako balikan ang mga kaganapan noong 2024. A year filled with growth, breakthroughs, and unforgettable moments. We kicked off the year with our first ever gala night, where for the very first time, we gathered in one place and met in person. It was truly a magical and unforgettable experience. Tapos samahan pa ng pamimigay ng company ng 4 brand new fully paid cars, kasama ang first 2024 Ford Mustang GT in the Philippines para sa ating overall top performer na si Up Amor and Rachel Rivera. This year, umani ng napakaraming parangal si Salveo Well. Una na dyan ang outstanding and significant achievement in food supplement industry by Lahing Filipino Gawad Parangal, Asia's Health and Wellness Multi-Level Marketing Company by the World Class Excellence Awards. At nakakuha rin ng napakaraming awards si Salveo Barley Grass, Best Trusted Organic Supplement Brand awarded by the Golden Globe Annual Awards, Premier Leading Organic Food Supplement Brand awarded by the Elite Business Excellence Award, Number 1 Organic Food Supplement Brand by the Legacy Awards, one of the most memorable dahil mga kinikilala at hinahangaang personalidad ang nakasama natin dito. And this is already our second year na binigyan tayo ng Number 1 award ng Legacy. And Number 1 Organic Barley Grass in the Philippines by Brand and Top Choice Global World Excellence Award, our first ever international recognition that was awarded in Macau. Hindi lang ang company at product ang naparangalan. Akalain mo pati ako ngayon ina-awardan na rin. Pinarangalan tayo bilang CEO of the Year during the 12th Elite Awards, Inspiring Business Leader and Entrepreneur by Legacy Awards, and Humanitarian Ambassador and Business Leader of the Year awarded by the Philippine Public Service Leadership Awards. I still remember nung nagsisimula pa lang ang company, lagi ko sinasabi tuwing GA na balang araw magpapagawa tayo ng sarili nating building. Noon parang nakakatawa, parang nahihibang kapag sinasabi ko yon. Pero tignan mo tayo ngayon, hindi lang sariling building. We are now able to expand and have a total of 12 branches. In 2024, we opened in Cabanatuan. Nagkaroon din tayo ng Lucena, Quezon branch, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan branch, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong branch, Tarlac City branch, Antipolo branch, and our first international branch in Singapore sa Lucky Plaza, Orchard Road. And the grandest of all na talaga namang namangha ang lahat, ang ating Quezon City branch. Office pa lang, statement na of what we've become as a company over the past decade. May digital whiteboard at digital billboard na LED, hindi lang sa labas ha, kundi hanggang sa CR. Kakaiba talaga at sobrang nakaka-proud maging Salvean. 2024, nag-travel din tayo ng ilang beses. Local travel incentives sa Coron, Palawan para sa ating mga New Swap Millionaires Club. Punong-puno ng adventures kung saan nag-island hopping, kainan, kantahan, tawanan, bonding, and so many new experiences for our SMCs. Then, as part of our lifestyle rewards incentives, kasama ang ating mga top sellers and coaches, nagpunta naman tayo ng Hong Kong for 5 days and 4 nights, all expenses paid. Kung saan namasyal, nag-cable car ride, nag-cruise, plus syempre nagpunta tayo sa Hong Kong Disneyland. It was really special and very memorable, lalo na for some of our swappreneurs na first time lang makasakay ng eroplano. Dahil yan sa swap And not just our swap members, we also treated all our employees and went to Thunderbird La Union. All expenses paid vacation kasama ang araw nila. We also attended the 3-day Millionaire Mind Intensive where we extended this opportunity to our swappreneurs by providing free tickets. It was an incredible experience where we gained valuable insights on financial management. Nag-host din tayo ng e-com conference, a whole-day event packed with lessons on FB ads and mastering content creation. Dito rin tayo nagkaroon ng Reels contest, adding a fun and creative twist to the day. We also launched our Reels contest and gave away 11 iPhones to our winners. Siyempre, binusog din natin ang ating mga employees na mga pa-bonus, arigato, pa-noche buena, at tinupad din ang ilan sa kanilang mga kahilingan. Namigay tayo ng MacBook, TV, ref, e-bike, mga motor, at marami pang iba. At ang pinakabongga sa lahat, namigay din tayo ng 6 fully paid brand new cars at isang 2-story house and lot sa ating mga loyal employees. And because we are gearing up to go offline, we launched our Dream Ride Car incentives to inspire and encourage network building. This year, we were honored to be featured twice. First, on Rated Corina, where the inspiring story of Silveo, how it all began, was shared with the nation. Never ko na-imagine in my wildest dreams, alam mo yun, seeing my face on TV, it was surreal. Second, my nerve-wracking interview with RDR kay Coach Raymond de los Reyes was another unforgettable moment. 2024 marks a pivotal year for us as we finally decided to collaborate with renowned personalities to become the faces of Silveo Bardigras. We are proud to welcome Derek Ramsey, a true health enthusiast, fitness icon, and the perfect embodiment of our brand's commitment to wellness and vitality. Alongside him, we have the social media sensation and the #1 influencer in the Philippines, Miss Ivana Alawi, an actress, philanthropist, and a humble, authentic individual whose values align seamlessly with what Silveo stands for. We proudly joined and co-presented the Team Payaman Fair led by the inspiring Miss V. Cortez, where we had the opportunity to introduce Silveo Bardigras to an exciting new market. Silveo is a business with a heart. We always want to pay the blessings forward. This 2024, napakarami nating natulungan with our Silveo Cares initiatives. We participated in the Brigada Escuela programs of Francisco Nepomuceno High School and Santo Rosario Elementary School, where we extended financial assistance and provided essential school supplies to students. One of the most unforgettable moments kung saan umakyat kami sa bundok sakay-sakay ng jeep was when we visited Naiba Integrated School in San Gabriel, La Union, kung saan namigay kami ng school supplies, slippers, and other needs dun sa mga kids doon, creating smiles and lasting memories. Our Silveo Scholarship Program in its 2nd year has now supported 21 students. Nag-provide tayo ng educational assistance of up to 100,000 per employee para makatulong sa kanilang tuition fees and other school-related needs. We also did some charity works, provided donations nung may binaha sa Bulacan, participated in Rated Corina's charity initiatives, distributing rice, cleaning supplies, and school materials to families in Tondo, provided donations to Duyan and Maria Orphanage, and recently provided cash assistance to 46 children who are cancer survivors. And hindi pa natatapos doon ang ating community involvement because we proudly sponsored over 20 events this year, including the Hydro Fun Run, Brightwoods Green Dash, fitness and Zumba sessions, sports tournaments in Baguio, yung Team Lakay, Central Badminton School activities, the Clesa Grand Ball 2024, Ginoong Porac 2024, Mr. Pampanga 2024, and marami pang iba. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang Silveo Fast 60-Day Challenge, kung saan namigay tayo ng mga free products at mas lalo pa nating pinaganda dahil nagkaroon tayo ng iba't ibang activities gaya ng Zumba, yoga, group exercise, jogging, and CrossFit sessions. Kaya't napakarami ang mga na-transform, hindi lang ang kanilang health, kundi nagkaroon din sila ng weight loss because of this challenge. Together, these efforts reflect our dedication to giving back and touching lives. So many things happened in 2024. I would say it was the busiest year of my whole life, to the point na pati pag-grocery kailangan ko na rin i-delegate. And the blessings just kept pouring in, plus sinabayan pa ng pagdating ng mga MLM legends. Thank you po sa inyong tiwala na binigay sa aming kumpanya. Mas lalo pa nating gagalingan this year. And here's something incredible na nangyari. As of today, we have already created 60 swap millionaires. Wow. What an achievement for all of us. This is a living proof na ang mukhang imposible, pwede palang maging posible dito sa swap. Congratulations everyone! This 2025 will aim higher, achieve more, and grow even bigger together. Happy 3rd anniversary Swappreneurs! Cheers to more saving and changing lives!